Hello everybody. Let's have a quick demonstration on how to set a print area. Very often we need to print our work in Excel. Therefore, it is key to produce printable documents. We need to learn how to organize our documents, imagining that someone will print them out at some point. In order to do that, we have to organize well all the sheets and the information flows. Once this is done, we can go ahead and select which parts of each sheet should be printed out and which parts of the sheet shouldn't be printed. Let's assign a printable area for the sheet, which we have here. First, I'll select the area that should be printed. Then I'll go to the menu bar and select Page Layout, where we have the Print Area menu. I'll click on it and select Set Print Area. See how Excel put a border to the print area of our sheet? If we print it, only the selected area will be printed. This is how you can set a print area. Thank you for watching this video.